Hi, Dr. Scott Goldsmith here. We're with our latest Jiffy Knee, Miss Donna, and she actually had her right knee done. There you go, beautiful scars. Right knee was done about 9 weeks ago, and then our left knee was done about 3 weeks ago, so about 6 weeks in between the surgeries. So tell us how you're doing. How is the right knee, which is 6 weeks ahead, how's it feeling?
It's great. I mean, I've been driving since 2 weeks after the surgery. And then with my left knee, I drove myself to therapy the first week because, of course, I'm using my right knee to do most of the work. But pain is minimal. The range of motion that I'm getting on both knees, I mean, I am walking really well. I didn't use a walker or a cane maybe 3 days after the first one, just for stability to make sure I was getting around and I was fine. But
we were talking about some of the activities you're doing in therapy. Tell me what you're doing now, because you're doing some wild stuff.
I know. So, and I'm thinking it's normal, but I'll look around at some of the other people that have had their knees done, and they're not doing any of the stuff that I'm doing. So, squats, just not weighted squats, but holding onto a bar and walking down the bar as far as I can and walking up. Leg raises with 10-pound weight. I've worked up to 10 pounds now. We started out at 5 and then 8, and then now we're doing 10. Dips where you stand on a box and with your new knee, and then you have to dip down and tap the floor with your heel, and so it's a very isolated range of motion exercise. Riding the bike. I mean, I with the first knee, he didn't have me riding the bike for like 4 weeks. With this knee, I was riding the bike at week 2.
Oh, wow. And
it started out 8 minutes, then 12 minutes, and now I'm doing 15 minutes on the bike.
That's incredible.
Yeah.
And the therapist is happy with your progress?
Oh, he's blown away.
Oh.
He's quite excited because these were his first Jiffy knees that he did therapy with. So, now he has his routine for what he'll do for those patients versus his patients that had the different total knee replacement done.
Yeah, we're seeing that these folks that we don't have to cut the quadricep, they're really progressing a lot quicker, and so we can push them harder in therapy.
And no pain. I mean, I want to say no pain, but the pain I think is more nerve pain from where the incision was. I don't feel like joint pain. I don't feel like stabbing pains like I did with the arthritis. I mean, I could walk a quarter of a mile, a half a mile, and I'm dying. But now I'm walking around the house, I'm going shopping, I'm buying groceries, I'm running errands, and
that's amazing.
Not having any issues at all.
We're very happy for you. You're just still at the beginning of your recovery too?
I know.
So it's only going to get better and better.
Yeah, well, that's what I keep saying. If it's this good this early, then it's only going to get better.
Let's see you stand up and maybe just do a little stroll across the room here. Pretty good. Only 3 weeks out from surgery, you're moving around. Yeah. I think you're moving around better than I am. So, well, here we have another happy patient, Donna. We wish you continued recovery and rehab, and we look forward to seeing you in a few months to see how you're doing.
Me too.
Good job.
Thanks.